just occurring to me, you get all these people, these so-called prepper survivalists, I think the biggest difference between them and myself is I have done it. I've not done the drop out for a week or for a few weeks, or the military agenda type people. Oh, we've got military training, I'm sergeant this, I'm whatever, whatever, whatever. The issue with that is they're dealing with it on a military perspective whereby at some point they're going to get pulled out, rescued, going to go back to civilization. That's how they think, that's how they work, that's how they're trained. Whereas from my perspective, I was on the run for nearly 20 years. Initially it was in Ireland, but I travelled the world. So I had no choice. I had no passport, no identification, no bank account, and I did that for nearly 20 years. And so I do know what it is like to be off grid, to live off grid. And it's not something you could have done 100 years ago. It's something that you can still do today. It's just that people don't seem to realize this, and you get the constant, like Autobot type comments, especially on Facebook, where they're all geared toward conditioning you into thinking you cannot do this, it is not financially viable, it is not physically viable. It is. I mean, obviously, the more money you have, the easier it is to do. You know, you can go out there with 2 sticks rubbed together to make fire, or you can go and spend 10 quid on a USB rechargeable lighter with a wind up hand crank. So the more money you have, the more you can do, and the faster you can do it. But you've got these people, and they think because they've seen like SAS, Are You Gay Enough, or that kind of issue, that they know how to do it, that they could actually survive in a survival situation. Most people can't. Most people will just sit there, as proven by the pandemic. Most people will just sit there and wait to be rescued. It's this whole psychological conditioning. You've got also the aspect of the ultra low and ultra high frequency. That is an issue as well, and it saps your will to do anything. But I don't know. It just occurs to me that you don't really get anyone online with any comparable experience that I've had, because no one's gone on the run. No one has actually gone completely off grid without any backup. All these people who claim to do it or claim to have done it, they've not done it on the run. They've done it, and they can, if they want, and they've got that little security blanket, go to a hospital. I didn't have the option. They can, if they want, go home, go back to relatives, friends, family. I've never had that. So, it's weird.